Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this delicious bird eye chili chicken curry. So let's start the procedure. I've taken 500 gram of boneless chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt to taste and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Just mix it nicely and keep it aside for some 10 to 15 minutes. Let's make a green paste. Here I've taken some 5 garlic, 1 inch ginger and some 25 bird eye chili and few coriander leaf, and this is totally optional. I have used to get that bright green color. Now add little water and make a paste of it. Keep it aside for later use. Now take some 30 shallots, chop them finely. Now heat a kadai, add some 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now add a teaspoon of mustard seed and half teaspoon of fennel seed. Now throw in your shallots and saute it for some 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes translucent. Now add your green paste and saute it for another 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute it for some 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Then add half cup of water to the remaining paste in your jar. Now add this to a masala and allow it to cook till oil comes up. Now add chicken to it and throw the remaining water. Mix it nicely. Saute it for some 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Now add salt to taste and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now close the lid and cook for some 10 minutes on low to medium flame. So our chicken is almost done, and now it is a time to add thin coconut milk. So here I am adding half cup of thin coconut milk. Now throw in some bird eye chili and close the lid and cook till it is completely done and till the oil comes up. Now add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Now mix it nicely and throw in few curry leaves. Just stir for 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the flame, because we should never allow it to boil once we add thick coconut milk. And so bird eye chili chicken curry is ready. You can serve it with appam or idiyappam or have the way you like. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.